Sorry, not too loud.
Aloha and good afternoon, everyone. I'm Matthew Chang with Hawaiian Airlines, and welcome to Pau Hana Friday here at the Hawaiian Airlines Premier Club. We do Pau Hana Friday, the first Friday of every month. Really as a big mahalo to all of our PUALANI Platinum, our PUALANI Gold, and our Premier Club members to really say thank you for all your loyalty with us at Hawaiian Airlines over the years. Our promo team members are going around with some complimentary white wine and red wine and Prosecco that we feature on our flights, so do enjoy. And then we also usually like to bring in a partner to bring you some Ono food, right? And we wanted to bring back one of our favorite partners, which is Foodland. So already going around, I can see people eating them. We've got poke bowl, we've got their shrimp cocktail. Is it pretty good? Can I get some nods? I see people, yeah, right? We got plenty back there, so take your time chowing down. So last but not least, our entertainers for this afternoon. So today we are very delighted to have with us Faith Ako, and she brought with her her friends Jack and Auntie Ululani, and they'll be performing Hawaiian, traditional Hawaiian and contemporary Hawaiian music for all of us to enjoy. So with that, again, mahalo to all of you. Thank you so much for supporting us on Pau Hana Friday, and have a good flight. Mahalo.
Thank you, Auntie Ulu. Woo-hoo. Oh, yeah. We're representing some classics. Here we go.